Welcome. Today we're going to talk about present simple negative. The lesson is a little bit difficult today because I'm combining the verb be and do. So you must remember, when do we use be and when do we use do? So we use the verb be, which is am and is and are, with things that are truth or facts for a long time, right? We use do for actions and feelings. So here we put not after the verb. Say, I am not a doctor. He is not 18. She is not happy. It is not in the office. You are not listening. We are not clerks. They are not hot. Now we want to make these verbs short because when we talk, we usually use the short form. So you can say, I am not a doctor. You can't change that. You can't make it small. Say, he isn't 18. Not, you can say, he is not 18. You can say, he isn't 18. She isn't happy. It isn't in the office. Now you can say, you are not listening, or you can say, you aren't listening. Short, one word. Say, we aren't clerks, they aren't hot. So we made the words short here. Instead of saying is not, we said isn't. Instead of are not, we said aren't. Now let's look at do. And do is going to be for actions here. So I do not eat. He does not sleep. She does not play. It does not write. You do not read. We do not drive. They do not drink. Now let's make them short. Say, I don't eat. Say, I do not eat or I don't eat. He doesn't sleep. She doesn't play. It doesn't write. You don't read. We don't drive. They don't drink. So you can say the long words. You can say do not or don't. You can say does not or doesn't. Right, so let's look at these examples here. Your instruction is to choose the correct word to complete the sentence. So first we have to say, are we going to use do or are we going to use be? And to do that, we have to say, is it a fact or is it an action? So for do, we use action. And for facts, we're going to use the verb be. So we late is not an action, it's a fact. So we're going to use the verb be. I have is an action, see? So we're going to use the verb do. She know Thomas. Know is what? Know is an action, yes. And it hot today. Hot is not an action. So I angry. Angry is not an action. So what we're going to do here is we're going to say for the facts, we're going to say am, it is, and are. And for the two action sentences, we're going to use do or does. Right. So here we say we aren't late yet, using the verb be. I don't have a laptop. She doesn't know Thomas. It isn't hot today. I am not angry with you. So remember, for I, you say am. I am not angry with you. For he and she and it, we say is. It isn't hot today. And for you and we and they, we say are. So negative is aren't. We aren't late. And then when we use the verb do, for I, you say I do or I don't. He doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't, and you don't, we don't, and they don't. Good. Let's practice. So I drive fast. Is drive an action or is it a fact? It's an action, right? So we're going to use the verb do. So I do not drive fast. And here, we late yet. Is late an action or a fact? No, it's a fact. So we say we are not or aren't late yet. Now, he have a lot of cash. We know have is an action. And the options are do or don't or doesn't. So he must always have the S. He doesn't have a lot of cash. Good. You'll do these last two on your own. Nice. We'll see you next time for the verb to have. And if you are unsure about this and you need some more help, you can always send me a message.